because I saw some roe deers over there, and they're so afraid to go out from the forest because of me. So I set up my camera there and I'm waiting. Oh, you can see them, yes? And you can see my camera. So I'm waiting until they will be calm and they will go out from the forest so that I can take pictures and videos with them. But right now I'm with the gooses, and this goose, he's trying to attack me, you see? He's just over there. Oh my god, here, they're here. But I think that they are afraid of me.